Hi, my name is Dr. Tanya. I am so excited today. If you're listening, I want to take this time out to wish you a happy Easter. Have a happy holiday. I'm excited, not only because it's Easter, but I'm also excited because I got a gift today. Yes, I did. I want to say a special thank you to Tam Luck. This is what I got in the mail. Isn't it beautiful? It's a journal, my own journal. I love it. And it reads, My Journal, Women with Vision International. You rock, Dr. Tanya. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Tam. And also, Tam, I want to say a special thank you for allowing me to be a part of the awesome book that we just did, which is called The International Women of Color Who Boss Up. Yes, I'm one of the writers in it, and there are 15 other beautiful women that's in it. Once again, the name of the book is called The International Women of Color Who Boss Up. So if you want to get your copy, go ahead and let me know. Once again, thank you, Tam.